Now, you hang it with a hook, okay? So you hook the hook on the branch. Something like that, okay? Okay. Can you do it? Okay. Go a bit. Good job.
More.
More? Should we do more? Okay, get that candy cane. Okay, grab it. Use the big hook. You take the big hook and you hook it on a branch. Do it? Yeah, why don't you go a little higher? Here. Let go of it.
More.
More. Get more. What is it, Preston?
The house.
The house? Bring it over here. Hang it on. See? The hook on it. Let's get the big hook. Okay. Here, grab it by the hook. To the branch.
Does everyone do that?